Today, I will be showing you how to make this juicy, delicious finger licking chicken. Look at this. Tender, tasty, irresistible chicken. Look at this. Wow. Today, I'll show you how to make this. Let's go to the kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you the perfect and easiest way to fry chicken. In this bowl here, I have some chicken with bones on. Over here, we have the chicken breast already split, washed. So now we're going to season them up. So I'm going to start seasoning this now. So I'm going over with some all-purpose. And I'm using another all-purpose this all-purpose is called Linden Blend. I'll be using some garlic powder in this also. Next, with a black pepper over this. What we're going to do now, we're going to marinate this. Get our dry seasoning in first. Very important. Next thing I'm going to add to this, a bit of flour and some baking powder. What I'll be adding to this now, a bit of thyme. Just going to combine everything together. Next up, I'm going to add milk to this. Bit of milk. Next up, about a cup of water. Grab yourself a whisk. We're going to combine everything together. Grab your chicken. We're going to pour this over our chicken. Remember, we have two different set of chicken. So we have the breast. Get this in. While doing this, just let him sit a little while. Gonna do the next one. So this one have the bone in it. So that's our bowl for our flour. Gonna put our flour in. Gonna put a bit of seasoning. The rest that leave in this, just a little bit. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. You see with this now, I just want it to look a little bit crumbly. On this side, I have my oil and it's up to temperature. Try not to let the oil too hot. Okay, with this now, with our chicken, you notice it's well stick on it, so I'm using one hand. Don't get both of your hand messed up. Yeah, so I'm gonna do them, most of them like this, and have them ready to go. So this is what the chicken look like, because I already bread them and put them down on a separate tin sheet. Very important to do so. So you see these little spark, prickle bits. That's what I'm going for. That's what's important. So I will repeat the process on these. So these are the one with the bones. So you have one hand, or you can just use this like this. We're going to repeat the process, and that's what it looked like. So we're going to repeat the process and pack them on and bread them and pack them on a separate tin sheet. So now I'm starting with the fillets, because the reason why they are actually the same size and same cut. So these will cook a little bit evenly faster than the rest. So I'm just putting in 3 at a time. Very important. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn these. You can see the lovely colors on this already. Look at that. What I'll be doing now, I'm going to take these And I'm gonna put them on here for them to drain and rest. So these are finished now. Next one I'm gonna work on is these over here, the one with the bone. So you notice what I've done before. I cook these first because they're easier to cook. Same cut of chicken. So now I'm gonna start the one with the bone. With this I'm gonna start like with the leg meat, because the leg meat, they are the same. Very important. So these ones are ready to come out. So now all of our chickens finished fry. So delicious, so lovely. And if you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave a positive comment.